Kids, let's learn wild animals. Make the sounds with me. It's a monkey. Monkeys are funny and playful. It's an elephant. The elephant is huge and strong. It's a lion, the king of jungle. It's a giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. It's a crocodile. It has sharp teeth. That's a gorilla. Gorillas are very strong and gentle. It's a zebra. Zebra stripes are so cool. It's a tiger. Tigers are fierce and fast. It's a rhinoceros. It has big horn. It's a bear. Bears are huge. It's a wolf. I love wolves. Time to go back home. Bye-bye, and see you next time.